It's Mother's Day weekend, everybody. Where are you taking Mom? Let's find someplace beautiful. She deserves it. Hey guys, there's still time to grab Mom one of these amazing notebooks. Make sure you check them out. Don't miss them. Hello, Localtarians! Welcome back for some more weekend fun. It's your Local Love Report for May 6th, 7th, and 8th. That's your Mother's Day weekend. All right, guys, we're excited, right? Lots of cool things out there. Lots of neat things going on for Mom. The Kentucky Derby. All kinds of great events, so don't miss out. And, of course, we have to start where the starting is good, Friday. All right, guys, art encounters. Ally is a verb at Rollins Museum of Art. And this is a free event, and it'll be ending on May 8th, so don't miss it. 10 a.m. Friday pool party at Secrets Hideaway Resort and Spa in Kissimmee. 6 p.m. Fame, fashion, art, music experience going on at City Arts. $65 to get into this very special event. Come on out and enjoy an amazing amount of beautiful things all in one place. 6 p.m. on Friday, Bongs and Berries show at Orlando Glass Gallery. Come on out and check out these beautiful handcrafted pieces of glass. 7 p.m. Mork Grinding, Arts Antiquiva, Promethean Horde, and the Noctambulant at Haven Lounge. And guys, if I pronounced any of your names wrong, I apologize. Those are some interesting names, and I know that music is going to be kicking. So everybody head out to the Haven and enjoy. 7 p.m. Uptown Vibes at Cranes Roost Park. All right, come on out and walk around Cranes Roost and enjoy these beautiful vibes. 7:30 p.m. Brew and View, Star Wars: A New Hope at Ivanhoe Park Brewing. 8 p.m. Bonnie and Clyde at Theater West End. $33 to $39, so you can come in and enjoy this amazing theater production going on until May 8th. So you're running out of time. Make sure you check it out. Maybe you can take Mom. 8 p.m. on Friday, Druid Lord, Withering Earth, Demon Fuck, Vacus Depths, Charred at Will's Pub. Come on out and enjoy some amazing local music for just $15 to get you into the door. And you know they've got some of the best drafts around and all of your favorites right there at the bar. So come check out this great show at Will's. 8 p.m. Club Carnage, halfway to Halloween at the Mannequin Lounge. And there's a horror maze, everybody. So come on out. If you miss Halloween already, come on and check it out. Should be a lot of fun. Just $10 to come out and get your spook on. All right, guys, and as always, keep in mind that if you aren't done or you're looking for a very special event, we have many more on our daily event list. Those are pinned to the top of our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page every single day, not just the weekends, every day, guys. So check them out, see what's going on when you're feeling like you want to find something special, or maybe you're just a little bored. Come check it out for yourself. It'll be there waiting for you. It even gets uploaded into the feed at 2 p.m. the day before. So get even more great events if you don't find what you want on this one. And don't forget, guys, we do this every week, so make sure you ring that bell and subscribe so that you don't miss us. All right, guys, let's get into Saturday. American Modernisms at the Rollins Museum of Art, and it's free. This one's also going to be ending on Sunday, so it's going to be going till May 8th. Make sure that you catch it before it's gone. 9 a.m. Orlando Pottery Festival and Spring Arts Market, and that's at 5505 Hansel Avenue in Orlando. 10 a.m. Mother's Day weekend wheel class at Super Awesome Cool Pottery. 10 a.m. Audubon's Baby Owl Shower 2022, and that's the Audubon Center for Birds of Prey. Make sure you get out and support this amazing place. They do have the most beautiful birds. They're all rescued in the environment, so make sure you check them out and hear their stories. 11 a.m. Tuffy's Derby de Mayo with altos at Tuffy's Music Box and Lounge. 1 p.m. Celebrating Mom. Medium signs plus muffins plus mimosas. All right. $45 to $48, age 10 and up at Board and Brush in Ocoee. So bring Mom out for a little crafting this year. 1 p.m. on Saturday, Bacon, Bourbon, and Blues at Oviedo Amphitheater and Cultural Center. $35 and up, and get into this amazing festival. 3 p.m. Ukrainian artist defending freedom. Exhibition reception at City Arts. All right, guys, come out and support these amazing Ukrainian artists, and let's check out what their work looks like. 5 p.m. Kentucky Derby Party at the Veranda at Thornton Park. $30 to $35, and you can come on out and enjoy an amazing day of Derby fun. 9 p.m. Wilted Chili's at Sloppy Taco Palace. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up our Saturday. So now we're looking on into Mother's Day. So what are you planning to do for your mom? You going to be doing something special? Are you guys hanging out as a family? Or are you just dropping off a card? Maybe getting some flowers? Or do you even live in the city where your mom is? Make sure you take her someplace special or get her something special just to remember the day. Maybe check out those notebooks, because you know every time she looks at them, she's gonna think of you. So make sure that you don't forget to check those out. And here we get going on some great events for your Sunday. Let's go. 8 a.m. Sunshine State Games Artistic Roller Skating at Cimarron Skateway. 9 a.m. on Sunday, Mother's Day at Harry P. Lou Gardens. Mom definitely deserves something beautiful, so take her out to the gardens, show her around, and let her take it all in. It'll be a nice, relaxing day right there at Harry P. Lou Gardens. 9 a.m. Teacher Appreciation Days at Wonderworks. All right, teachers, come on out and enjoy your free day of getting in and checking out all the fun hands-on exhibits. 10:30 a.m. Mother's Day Brunch featuring Funny Face at Enzian Theater. Make sure you don't forget to stop off at the Eden Bar. You know they're going to have some themed cocktails. 11 a.m. Mother's Day Brunch at Infusion Tea. All right, your Mother's Day brunch would include a pitcher of hibiscus berry sangria or iced herbal tea, or you can get a pot of hot tea, finger sandwiches, petit fours, and French macarons, as well as French baked scones with clotted cream and strawberry jam, as well as, you know it, that strawberry dream pie. Oh, my mouth is watering now. So $59 for 2 people or $99 for 4. Bring Mom out and show her a little high tea society. 12 p.m. Mother's Day. Free admission for caregivers at Orange County Regional History Center. And of course, on Mother's Day, the History Center is going to offer free admission to any caregiver accompanied by their loved ones of any age. 2 p.m. on Sunday, Film Slam at Orlando Museum of Art. $11 to come in and enjoy these amazing independent filmmakers' creations. It is a monthly film screening where you can actually pick whose you like. And they do this every single month, so make sure you check the schedule for the next one. 3 p.m. DIY Paint and Sip Mother's Day Modern Art at Spill Wine Bar. 5 p.m. Mother's Day at Mango's Tropical Cafe Orlando. You know they're going to do it up right. Talk about beautiful things, people dancing, and lots of fun stuff, so make sure you check it out. And last but not least, for your weekend and your Sunday night, 8 p.m., Wax and Wayne 30 at Grumpy's Underground Lounge. Get out there and enjoy some of the best, amazing local music you're going to hear, so check it out. All right, guys, make sure whatever you guys decide to do, that you do go over to our Orlando Entertainment Facebook page for Local Love, and you will find that full list of events for your weekend. Make sure you go through those. You might find some even better ideas that will work for you and Mom. So make sure you go and enjoy all the great stuff we got going on. Make sure you check out some of these great exhibits going on at Rollins College that are about to end. And don't miss out on having an amazingly beautiful weekend. All right, guys, that is going to wrap us up. Thank you so much for choosing us here at Local Love. We absolutely appreciate you. And make sure you drop us a comment down below. Let us know what you think about what we're doing. And if you have any events, we are always happy to get those and help post them for you. So let us know. And also, guys, happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. Thank you so much for tuning in. And you know what, guys? We're going to see you next time. Peace.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.